Hi guys, my name is Maya. I use he, him pronouns, and I'm the videographer, photographer, and graphic designer here at the Gender and Sexuality Resource Center at UAlbany. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about some tips for trans and gender nonconforming students here at UAlbany and how to make their living situation here a bit better. If your name is not reflected on legal documents, UAlbany allows you to use what they call a preferred name. If you go into the MyUalbany portal, which we'll link in the description, you can change your name so that it'll reflect on university IDs, on class rosters, grade rosters, and even on Blackboard. But there are some other things that your legal name still will reflect on. So that's things like any reports to state or federal agencies. That's things like medical records, transcripts, and diplomas. Now, even when it comes to mail services, you have to put your legal name on the packages, even if your university ID reflects the preferred name that you've chosen. At UAlbany, we have gender-inclusive bathrooms, which means that you can use the bathroom that reflects your gender identity. Now, if multi-stall bathrooms are not really for you and you'd prefer a single-stall one, we have single-stall, gender-inclusive bathrooms all over campus. To see where those are located, I'll link the map down below in the description. When it comes to housing, UAlbany offers gender-inclusive housing, which is for students who'd like to live in mixed-gender environments or students who are trans and would like to live with other people who share their gender identity. You can sign up for that online, which we'll link in the description below. If you have any concerns about your living situation when you live on campus, you can reach out to Jamie Lee Ford via her email, which will also be in the description, or you can reach out to Res Life about any concerns you may have. I hope those tips are helpful in improving your living environment here at UAlbany. If you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us at the GSRC, and check out our Instagram at GSRC UAlbany.